Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally I've started rolling out a new update for Nothing Phone 2, which is Nothing OS 2.5.6. In this video, we'll talk about every change and fixes what this update brings on the table for Nothing Phone 2. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Here I have my Nothing Phone 2, which I've already updated to the latest build, which is Nothing OS 2.5.6. It's based on Android 14, and now we have the 1st June 2024 security patch. If you guys haven't received the OT update, you can go to the About section and check for the software info. If you take a look at the build number, it's 1801. First of all, let me show you the update size. So here you can see these are the changelogs, which bring some new features, improvements and bug fixes. And if you see the update size, it is 115 MB. Not a huge update, but yes, it do bring some new features. Now before moving ahead guys, if you like our content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Now let's start with the new features first. So the first feature what they have added, and that's the ability to hide or show navigation bar. So if you go to gestures under navigation mode, tapping on this gear icon, now you can see there's an option called hide navigation bar. If you enable this, the navigation bar from bottom side will disappear. And I think this is also something new what they have added called mistouch prevention. So by default, it gets on soon you enable the hide navigation bar. And along with that, we also have a option to disable swipe up to invoke assistant. And if this thing is disabled, you won't be able to use the assistant swiping from the right bottom corner or left bottom corner. So if you guys use assistant more, so make sure to keep this feature enabled. And later on, they have done some modifications under lock screen. So there's this new option added, which is called quick settings. Now you have the ability to disable quick setting panel on the lock screen, which wasn't possible before. So now let me lock the device and show you guys. I've disabled that feature. And now if I try to slide the quick setting tiles, it won't appear unless I enable that feature. So this is something new what they have added, and it can come in quite handy. After that, if you go to display section, under status bar, they have added new options for customizing the icons within the status bar. So previously, let me show you a screenshot how it used to appear before. I mean the previous build. So these were only options which we used to see under status bar. But now if you see, we have a lot of options to customize the status bar icons. From here, you can enable the icons which you want to see in the status bar, like battery percentage, internet speed, etc. And later on under features, they have also mentioned about the June security patch. One thing which they haven't mentioned here, and that's the add-on of new widget. So if you go to widget section, here you'll see a new widget which is 2x2 size, and that's a date widget. Tapping on edit, you also have the option to show days of the week. So if I enable it, this is how it's going to look. Like you have the date in bigger font and the day with a different color towards the right top corner with a smaller font. Again, a quite nice add-on by Nothing. Later on under improvements, they have also done few optimizations related to quick setting widgets. Here the animation is a lot improved now. You can see on the screen that video was recorded on the previous build, and that time the animation wasn't that smooth. Whenever we used to tap on the quick setting tiles, we used to see that instant color change instead of this soft animation. And it's not only on the home screen. If you have applied quick setting tiles on the lock screen, there also you'll see a similar change in the animation. Then under improvements, they have optimized some compatibility issues with some carriers and enhanced UI of carrier names. Then under bug fixes, they have resolved an issue wherein cloned apps were unable to use VPN network. So I generally don't use any VPN services, so I'm not sure about it. But if you guys had any kind of issues, then do cross check whether that has been taken care or not. Then they have refined the ChatGPT integration. Not sure what refinements they have done, but the bug which I have seen here, it's exactly same. You have to swipe multiple times to exit the application, and this issue is from the day one when the ChatGPT integration was done on Nothing phones. And another bug which I have noticed with ChatGPT, most of the time whenever you open that image tile, the device do opens the chat section. So this issue is still present on Nothing phones, and hopefully they do fix with the upcoming builds. Out of 10 times, once or twice you will see this issue on your Nothing phones. I'm not only talking about Nothing phone 2, on every Nothing phone, it's still an issue. And at last, they have fixed some issues related to back gestures, which lacked vibration feedback. I've never encountered such issues, and overall optimize the system stability. So that we'll get to know once we start using this device as a primary phone, and I'll soon drop a in-depth review about it. So if you guys have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.